Good day, everyone. It's Marlena Burton. Thank you for a moment of your time. I want to take a moment to invite you to our 10K Blitz on Saturday. Guys, would it be okay if you got paid to help people save money on things that they're already paying for? Just give that some thought. So, there are no health savings or income guarantees. All results vary because it depends on what you do with it. We all have equal opportunity to full-time freedom here. So, the Blitz call is on Saturday. Bring people with you. Let's get your product paid for as soon as possible, or your system, and helping poor people right out the gate is going to do that, where the money won't be coming out of your pocket. It'll be off profit. So it's a blessing to me that January 1st, my system was already paid for because I had earned over $100. And so, guys, just take the limits off. I'm grateful for some of the leaders that are coming in right now, like Daniel, that earned $8K. With a residual of $2,500, guys, that's pretty phenomenal. You know, is everybody going to get those results? Probably not. But I like what a millionaire maker says. He says, either you're going to get on my train or I'm going to run you over, because we are on a mission to empower over 1 million people to live financially abundant and leave a legacy. So we don't have time for indecision. So make a decision. Give yourself permission to succeed. Let's go. So let me know how I can help you. My number is 618-223-6006. There's all the information for the call, and I hope to hear you on Saturday. Thank you so much. God bless you. Have a wonderful day.